Hey there! Are you having trouble with a recording failed, no audio devices found error while trying to record invoice memos on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can pop up for various reasons like audio settings or some pesky software glitches. But the good news is, I have got some straightforward solutions to help you get voice memos back on track. Let's jump right in and tackle this together. Solution 1. Check microphone permissions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down until you find the option for Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Microphone to check which apps have permission to access it. Make sure Voice Memos is enabled. If it's turned off, just toggle it on and give recording another shot. Solution 2. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes, having Bluetooth devices connected can mess with your iPhone's internal microphone. To start, go to Settings and select Bluetooth. Then, either toggle Bluetooth off or disconnect any devices that are currently connected. Now, open Voice Memos and see if you can record without any issues. Solution 3. Update iOS. Running outdated software might cause compatibility problems with the Voice Memos app. Open Settings again and tap on General. Next, select Software Update to check for any available updates. If you see an update, tap Download and Install. After the update is complete, restart your iPhone and check Voice Memos to see if the problem is fixed. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If you are still having trouble, resetting your iPhone's settings could do the trick. Start by opening Settings once more and tapping on General. Then, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset and then tap Reset all settings. Confirm your choice and this will reset your settings while keeping your data safe. Finally, open Voice Memos and try recording again to see if it works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the recording failed, no audio devices found error in Voice Memos. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching and happy recording.